Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. If we look carefully about this one, we see that s and s minus 3 they are not relevant to dt. So we can put this one go outside and they should be like this. So we have s minus 3 in here. And s I will put in here. Next, when s approaches to number 3, so this one you got about number 3, the integration from number 3 to number 3, you got about 0. If we put number 3 on here, you got about 0. So we have 0 over 0. So we can use about L hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So for this one, we have the formula in here. So if we do first derivative of this one, we need to do first derivative of b, and the value of b will change for t, minus we need to do first derivative of a, and the value of a will change for t. Now we can apply the formula in here. So we do first derivative of s, and the value of s will change for t. So we have sine s over s, minus we do first derivative of number 3, and the value of 3 will change for t. So we have sine of number 3 over 3 over. So we see that s divided by s, negative number 3 divided by s. So this one we will have 1 minus 3 over s. So if we do first derivative of this one, we have 3 over s squared. This one that is about the constant, so you got about 0 in here. Now this one is about the constant, so you got about 0 in here. So if we simplify, we just got like this. First derivative of s, we have number 1. Now we just have only sine s over s, and we have 3 over s squared. So if we simplify, we just simplify s and s, and this s will go in here. And now I will put number 3 go in here. And number 3 divided by 3, so we just have sine number 3. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.